So hello and welcome back to Engineering 101, and this will continue our discussion from week 5. This is lecture 6-1 on libraries. So last week we did a library using an LCD, and this week we are going to look at using a library for a servo. As we're getting ready to do robotics, servo motors and DC motors are extremely important, because you can use servo and DC motors in order to control how a robot moves with DC motors, which is continuous rotation, or you could use a servo motor to make like a gripper, for example. So here what you're going to see is I have a servo motor, and the difference between a servo motor and a DC motor is that a servo motor can be moved to a precise location due to some electronics inside of it, and it can move between 0 and 180 degrees, or a servo motor could be continuous rotation. So the wiring for the servo motor is you're going to have the red line go to 5 volts, the black line goes to ground, and then there's going to be a signal line that has to go to an analog output. In this case, we're using pin 9 for our analog output. And this concludes lecture 6-1. Please come back for lecture 6-2 to learn about programming a servo motor with a library. Stay fantastic.